how to send pictures on Google Chat. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can send pictures on Google Chat. Sending pictures on Google Chat is very simple. Just follow the procedures that I'll be showing you in this tutorial. The first thing to do is to open your Google Chat account. Once you've opened it, you would be brought to the home page. Now on this home page, next for you to do is to move over to the right side of the screen and select the person you want to send pictures to. I just decide to click on the person's chat. So once you click on the person's chat, you would see by the lower part of the screen where the chat box is located. You'll see a list of options towards the right side of the box. Options such as formatting options, emoji, GIF, um, the upload icon, and then you'll see add video meeting. So our focus is on sending pictures, right? And that's the same thing as uploading file. So just go ahead and click on upload file. Once you click on upload file, you'll be directed to the to your files settings. Sorry, your devices files. Yeah, the devices files. So you'll be the one to select the kind of file you want to send or upload. In this case, you're trying to upload a picture. You just move over to where pictures are, then click on pictures, and then select the picture that you want to send. Okay, then this is the picture. So just click on it this way, and then the picture would be sent to the okay. Once you click on it, then to be brought in the chat box. Then by the right side of the screen, you'll see send message. Yes, by the right side of the screen, send message. Click on send message, and then the picture will be sent to the person that you want to send the picture to. So this is how you can send pictures or send files on Google Chat. Thanks for watching.